My god, I can't believe I was dumb enough to join forces with P50. He got me arrested for thunder god's sake. Erg. There must be a way to get even. Fine, no. I'll learn and I'll set up a revenge plot on P50. Where the heck did this light bulb come from? Oh well, I guess we could use it in one of our studio lights.
The frack? He just broke the fourth wall.
I must protect it.
Hello? Jay Lerner. P50 got me arrested a while back and 1003 of all sirens bailed me out. So I was thinking we could get revenge on him. Oh, yeah. I was the one who called the cops on you. You just say? Never mind. Anyways, here's the plan. I'll sneak into P50's jail cell and tie him up. Then I'll have you and to T20 to build a rocket that will send him to the most isolated country in the world, North Korea. And if P50 tries to nuke us, we'll just shoot him down and put him back in prison. Wow. That sounds like a fracky awesome idea. That'll show him. Let's do this.
Hello?
Hi to T22. Thunderbolt and I are going to get revenge on P50 for getting Thunderbolt arrested with him. So we need your help to build a rocket that will send P50 to North Korea.
Holy crap. Isolate him from the rest of the world. Genius.
I know, right?
Count me in.
Alright, well I'm gonna go get the parts for the rocket. They only had stock for model rockets, so I had to buy out their entire stock of model rocket engines.
Okay. Wow, that's a lot of engines. But I guess we'll need it in order to transport the load we're carrying. Alright. Let's get to work.
Okay, now you will never get out of jail. Oh, we'll see about that head. Oh god. Speaking of which.
Surprise, mother.
God, I hope Thunderbolt is alright.
Here he comes. Okay guys. You ready for this? Here.
Wait, what are you doing?
We're gonna send you to the most isolated country in the world. North Korea.
What?
No. Stop this madness. No. It's literally part of the name of the show. Alright, launch. Make a wish. Where am I? What is this place? Wait. Oh my freaking god, they actually did it. No. Yeah, we did it.
Go shoot.